Get your wagers in now. You got about 2 points before you're locked out.
I'm sorry too, grab one of these chairs, okay?
Зачем так делаешь, так зло? Ты же знаешь, как никто. Обижать тебя не хочется все равно. Зачем так делать? Больше не вижу своих
Just wide. Onishchenko with his service ace. Dalen just catching the sideline. Martinov able to beat the block of Onishchenko. Off the block of Martinov and then the platform before careening out of bounds. 7-6. Wow, finding the sideline, only needing 2 inches to work with. Dalen's swing catching mostly top tape, but it's going to count in Martinov's eyes as a block. 8-7. Eddie waits, delays, and intercepts. Sammy Martinov splits the pickle. 10-7. In, out, on the go. Not able to get it to go. Another service ace, 1 apiece for the Martinov brothers. We're switching sides. 21 the hard way. Oh, Onishchenko looking for the hands of Martinov, but between the wickets. 14-8. Aspidov stops the bleeding for a little bit.
Can you hear them hit the ball? Can you hear them pause?
Playing a little bit of ping pong during this volleyball match. 15 serving 9. Sammy able to beat the block of Onishchenko. Eddie splits the pickle. Timeout is requested. Eddie off the block of Martinov and still to the turf. Good job. I'm not sure Martinov's fake really drew him in. But the last second switch down the line by Eddie certainly did. Sammy able to get around that one, hitting cross body, excuse me, or David off the block, but still to the turf. Sammy repays the favor off the block of Dalen. Good read. Unfortunately, that ball is over the net, not a play. Correction, 14-20, set point number 2. And the Martinovs take the opening frame, 21-14. Off the hands. Yep.
Quick and snappy.
Eddie able to defeat the defender.
Eddie heck of holds. Brennan's eye.
Tags the backside of the sideline. Net violation. Unfortunately, the wind taking out just to Dalen's side. Oh, he thought that was going to be out. 5-1. Sammy able to see a lot of highway. We're switching sides. Onishchenko responds with a kill of his own. David using a little bit of equipment to his favor. Sammy's off the block of Dalen and out of play. Oh, great. Pretty good rally. Unfortunately, not able to clear that last hurdle in the net. Nice set. Dalen almost losing his balance.
It just the way this was attached, make it any tighter, it starts to
Correction 9-4. No touch. Eddie's swing is intercepted by Onishchenko. Sammy off the top of the fingers and to the floor. The southpaw is able to deflect off the block and out of play. 12-5. Nice set. Aspidov is able to stay hang. All contenders have now tallied a block in this contest. 13 serving 5. 6 serving 13 after the service error. Eddie Martinov's serve is long. The defensive effort pays off. We're switching sides. Sammy's option is intercepted. Eddie able to avoid the defenders. Please don't start stepping on balloons or thunder sticks. Oh, catches mostly net, but we're gonna give Eddie the block anyways. Service ace. David is uncontested and he delivers. That ball is out. Serve is just long.
There you go.
Oh, we got a sky ball. That ball is out. It appears it will be acquiesced. Oh,
wrong
I
way.
don't think he's ever told him, but it needs to go this way over the net. And that finds the turf and will end set number 2, 21.
Yeah, when you're that tall, jump high. I know. She's a little baby. She should grab herself. Good old boy.
Good redirect by Eddie Martinov to the turf. Good look off down the line. Dalen redirects to the cross court near side. We're all tied up to a piece. We're going to switch sides after this next point. Eddie working the cross court. Fantastic rally, David notches his first kill here in set number 3. Eddie's swing misses the sideline.
big for a digger.
Oh, the option is successful from Sammy.
A lot for digger.
Oh, Sammy made a good read. It might even deflected off Eddie's block.
I know, me too. I get you, bro. I understand. Wow.
That's going to count. Tags to the sideline.
Okay. You're not cold, but man. You
Easy play for Sammy. Draws in Aspidov.
not so like
Dalen's swing is uncontested off the defender into the turf. Put off the serve. 6-6.
Give you his chair.
Oh no, Dalen's second contact goes into the net.
I'm gonna go with the one.
Every little thing got me locked in. Oh yeah. Try to play it cool, but I'm shaking. Every word you say got me waiting. Oh yeah. I'm stuck.
Oh, just long. Aspidov's swing is long.
And it counts.
That was a smooth look down the line, Sammy. I'll give you that. Aspidov responds with a soft touch of his own.
26. I'm almost there. 5.5. When's your birthday?
Aspidov gets a good read, but not a good touch.
5.5.
Sammy's serve is wide. Aspidov and Onishchenko trail by 1. Oh, unfortunate. He thought it was going to nick the net, but just missed. Service error will cut the lead to 1. Sammy Martinov takes a big swing. Martinov responds with a block.
Did they still get a...
The lead is cut to 2, 11-13. That's a good positive touch. Unfortunately, no defender to be found. We're switching sides.
Sky ball!
Sammy and Eddie can do it after winning the opening frame of 21-14, falling 21-9. They take the third and final set, 15-12.